Hello guys, here we have a PakardBell motherboard. This board, it's not turning on at all. So what I noticed was when I connect a charger, a charging light goes off, and you know what that means, right? This PC is dead, it's not turning on, and the moment you connect a charger, the charging light goes off. It's so easy to repair, I believe so. Anyway, let's follow our steps as always. Step number 1, you go ahead, you press the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share these videos. Step number 2, what is step number 2? You check your charger for 19 volts, 12 volts, or 5 volts. In our case, this laptop, it's using the 19 volts. You can check at the back of your laptop. And our 19 volts is fine because I used different chargers. But the moment I connect them, the laptop switches off immediately. I mean, the charger switches off same time. Okay, so what's next? You check the first and the second Mosfet. Let's go ahead, let's check the first and the second Mosfet. So what do we check on the second and first Mosfet? We check for shorts. You can check for voltage, you can check for shorts, but in our case there's no need to check for volts because we know for sure that there is a short today. So you start from here. You see here, this is a DC in jack. From the DC in jack, you look for the first and the second MOSFETs. Do you see any MOSFETs here? Clearly no. So what you do, you flip the board around. There we go, you have your first and your second MOSFET. But before I continue, let's check for the schematic. I'm not sure if we have the schematic. If you don't have a schematic, we will continue to repair this board without a schematic, but let's give it a try. Open your hard drive where you store your schematics. In my case, this is the one, and you search, look using a port number. The port number for this one, it's LA. You type there LAA 621P. Okay, there we go. Okay, we have the schematic. This one is for Acer, but it's one thing. Okay, it's one thing. So what you do, you scroll down and down and down until you reach the charger section. From the charger section, it's gonna show you the first and the second MOSFET. There it is, the charger. Let me zoom in so that you will see. Okay, from the charger, we have to look for PQ302. That is our first MOSFET, PQ302. Let's go ahead. Okay, here we are. We don't have PQ302, we have PQ303 and PQ304. Okay guys, I can't see PQ302. I have PQ303 and PQ304. Let's go into our schematic. I don't know what is going on here. What is going on here? And we have PR303. Let's check the schematic again. Okay, there's PQ303. Okay, there's PR303. No, okay, I guess this is correct. This is correct. As you can see, PR303 is our current center, and this is there. I saw it, and PQ303, it's there. Yeah, this is correct. So let's go back. So you start from PR303. Let's check for shots. Take your meter. Take your multimeter as always. You switch it into a continuity mode. Then let's continue. One probe to ground. Start there. No shots. Everything is fine. After the second MOSFET, this is the second MOSFET. after a second MOSFET, we have a short. The multimeter is beeping. We have a short. We have a short. This is bad. We have a short. Hope you can see. The meter is beeping 000. Okay, this is bad. We have a short there. So how do we look for shorts? It's easy. Okay, it's easy. Okay, it's very, very easy. Turn on your soldering station, your soldering iron. You connect ground to ground. So what you need a soldering wire and iron. From the current sensor, you can just go ahead there and mount. Let me just exchange this. Use this. This goes here. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's look for a short. So you connect the 19 volts here, and don't forget to limit your power supply. I'll be using my bare hand to check for a short, to search for which component is getting hot. Let's hope it's just a simple thing. Okay, it's easy. This area here is getting hot. This area here is getting hot. So let's flip the pot. Okay, it means then it's somewhere here. Okay, let's have a look under the microscope. I think now I can see clearly. Okay, somewhere around here that we have a short. Okay, I think it's this chip. I'm not sure. So what you do, you use alcohol. Okay, I hope you can see. PU401 is shorted. So let's go back to our schematic and look for PU401. I think PU401 is for a RAM. I think so. PU401. Enter. There we go. Okay, I'm wrong. PU301 is for 3.3 volts. The chip that generates the 3.3 volts always. Hope you can see. But how come? How come? Let's remove PU401. Okay, now we have removed PU401. Let me show you under the microscope. Hope you can see PU401 is out. Okay, this is out. PU401. PU401 is out. So let's go ahead, let's check for shorts. Okay, I can't really see whether the short is still there or not. It's simple. Let's check on the current sensor. Okay, there's no shorts anymore. The shorts is gone. This is lovely. The shorts is gone. But I'm confused. Why this capacitor here? This capacitors here are still shorted. PU401. Let me remove this. Yipinto. Yinda. Okay, there's a short on PU. There's a short on PU401. PU401 on the output coil. There's a short. Okay, let me check again. But on the 19 volts, the short is no longer there. Now let's check again. Yeah, but there's a short. So what we'll have to do, we'll have to inject the 3.3 here where there's a short, and then take it from there. Okay, this is 5 volts always. Let's check 5 volts. 5 volts is sharp. Okay, let me show you. The 5 volts is sharp, as you can see, but the 3 volts is shorted. 5 volts is sharp, but the 3.3 volts always is shorted. I think into zakhe lezana. So be careful there. Power supply. You have to inject. You have to set it to 3.3. Okay, now we are ready to go. The power supply has been set to 3.3. Okay, there's a short. Something is taking 1 milliamps. Now it's set to 2 amps. Still nothing is getting hot. Damn. Oh damn, guys, this is bad. Oh, the CPU. Oh shit, guys, this is extremely bad. The CPU is shorted. Let me show you under the microscope. Okay, let's see. Turn on the power supply. Hope you can see. The CPU is shorted. Oh, this is bad. The CPU is shorted to ground. In this case, there's nothing I can do except to change the CPU, of which I don't have time and I don't have the repolling machine. Anyway, I hope you are learning, and don't forget to like the video and share our content. Thank you so much.